Welcome to the BoldSign API tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through embedding a custom field creation link into your application using the BoldSign PHP SDK. I'll also show you how to generate a custom field creation link integrated using an iframe, allowing users to create, edit, and delete custom fields directly from your app. If you're new to the BoldSign API, check out our previous video. The links are in this video's description to help you get started with the application. Imagine you as an HR lead handling hundreds of applications and contracts each month. You often repeat the same fields, like employee ID, with specific formatting and validation. Recreating them each time is slow and inconsistent. With reusable custom fields, you can simply drag and drop pre-configured fields onto any document, ensuring faster, consistent, and error-free form preparation. Before we start, make sure you have PHP version 7.4 or higher installed. You can install the BoldSign PHP SDK using Composer. To install the SDK, copy this command and add it into your project's composer.json file. Then run the Composer install command in the terminal to install the dependencies. Since I've already installed it, I confirm the setup by running this command. As you can see, the package is installed and ready to go. To generate custom field creation link, I navigate to the developer documentation, copy the PHP code snippet for generating the custom field URL, and paste it into a newly created PHP file. Next, I update the code. In the configuration object, I set the API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't generated your API key yet, you can do so by logging into the BoldSign web app. Navigate to the API menu, select API key, and generate a new key. The Custom Field API lets you manage custom field operations via the BoldSign API. I pass the config object to it, which already contains the API key. You can set the link validTil parameter to define when the generated URL expires. The default expiration date is 30 days from now. I'll set it to 10 days from now. On the Custom Field API, I call the Embed Custom Field method by passing the brand ID and link validTil. To retrieve the brand ID, I navigate to the BoldSign web app, expand the settings menu, and choose branding. I click the context menu and select Use Brand ID to copy it and paste it here. Finally, I print the generated link to the console. I run the application, and the console outputs the generated custom field creation link. Next, I'll show you how to embed this link within an iframe. I copy this full URL and set it to the source attribute of the iframe in my HTML file. I save the file and open it in the browser. The BoldSign custom field creation page loads directly inside the iframe. This is now fully embedded in my application. With this embedded custom field creation page, users can create, edit, and delete custom fields. For example, to customize a frequently used form field like this text box for employee ID, drag the text box from the left panel onto the page. The field is already marked as required by default, so I'll leave it that way. In the hint text, I type employee ID and increase the font size. Under validation, I choose only numbers, and the field only accepts numeric input. Then I click Save as Custom Field, name it Employee ID, and click Save. If I need to change anything later, like the hint text or font size, I can just click the edit icon next to the field, make my changes, click Update Custom Form Field, and then Publish. If a field is no longer needed, I can delete it by clicking the Delete icon. Please note that the Custom Form Fields feature allows only account administrators to customize standard form fields and save them for future use. Other users can create custom form fields only if the account administrator has enabled the Allow Custom Field Creation property in the brand settings. However, any custom fields created by them will not be visible to others in the organization. In this video, I've shown you how to generate custom field creation link and integrate it into your application via an iframe, enabling users to create, edit, and delete custom fields directly in your app. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorials. Thank you for watching.